Find the coefficient of x cubed in the expansion of x minus 2 all over 3x all is raised to the power 9 in ascending powers of x. For us to get the coefficient of x in this expansion, we can get it in two ways. The first way for us to get the coefficient of x is for us to expand this binomial right up to the term in x cubed, but that will be time consuming. We are going to make use of the second method, the solution. Making use of the second method, it is very fast and very easy for us to get the coefficient of x cubed. Using the binomial theorem, if we have a plus b all is raised to the power n, we have to expand this. The binomial theorem states that this will give us the summation r equal to 0 right up to n of n combination r times a raised to the power n minus r times b raised to the power r. As we are moving along, the power of a is reducing while the power of b is increasing. If we take down the problem, we have x minus 2 on 3x all is raised to the power 9, and this will be equal to, applying the binomial theorem, a is x, b is negative 2 on 3x, and n is 9. This will give us summation r equal to 0 right up to n, which is 9, of 9 combination r times a, which is x raised to the power 9 minus r times b, which is negative 2 on 3x raised to the power r. This will simply be equal to summation r equal to 0 to 9 of 9 combination r of x raised to the power 9 minus r times negative 2 on 3x raised to the power r is the same as negative 2 raised to the power r all over 3x raised to the power r, which we can express this as negative 2 third all this raised to the power r times 1 all over x raised to the power r, which is x raised to the power negative r. We are going to insert it here. This will give us times negative 2 on 3 all this raised to the power r times x raised to the power negative r. This will be equal to summation r equal to 0 right up to 9 of 9 combination r. We are going to send negative 2 on 3 r in front times x raised to the power 9 minus r times x raised to the power negative r. By applying the rules of simplifying numbers index form, this will give us x to the power 9 minus r plus, we are going to add their power since we are multiplying plus, negative r. This will simply be equal to summation r equal to 0 right up to 9 of 9 combination r times negative 2 third all this raised to the power r times x raised to the power 9. Negative r plus negative r gives us negative 2r. We have to find the coefficient of the term in x cubed. For us to get the coefficient of the term in x cubed, it simply means this power, the power of x, must be 3. We are going to equate 9 minus 2r to 3 to find the value of r. 9 minus 2r equating is to 3. Then we have to solve for r. Negative 2r will be equal to, we are going to transfer 9 to the right. 3 minus 9. This will give us negative 2r is equal to 3 minus 9, which is negative 6. Then dividing both sides by negative 2, so give us negative 6 divided by negative 2. Then our r will simply be equal to 3. Knowing r as 3, it is very easy now for us to get the equation of the term in x cubed. Putting r equal to 3, this will give us 9. We are going to replace r equal to 3 here. This will give us 9 combination 3 times negative 2 on 3 raised to the power 3 times x raised to the power 9 minus 2 times 3. And this will simply be equal to 9 combination 3 gives us 84 times negative 2 on 3 cube. Negative 2 cube gives us negative 8 all over 3 cube, which gives us 27. And express 84 as 84 over 1 times x raised to the power 9 minus 2 times 3. 2 times 3 gives us 6. 9 minus 6 gives us 3. X cube. This is the term in x cube. This will simply be equal to 3 will go into 84 28 times. 3 will go into 27 9 times. Then we can proceed to multiply. If we take 28 times negative 8, it gives us negative 224 all over 1 times 9, which gives 9 x cubed. We need the coefficient of the term in x cubed. The coefficient of the term in x cubed is simply that number we find in front of x cubed. It is this number. The coefficient of x cubed is coefficient of x cubed is negative 224 all over 9. We are done with the solution of this question. If in case you have any worries, feel free to drop your questions at the comment section. Please, if you like the video, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.